Exploring Solana's evolution, key milestones and strategic developments from 2020 to 2025. Introduction. Since its launch in 2020, Solana has emerged as a significant player in the blockchain arena, primarily known for its high transaction speeds and scalability. Founded by Anatoly Yakovenko, Solana's architecture features a unique combination of proof-of-history POS and proof-of-stake POS that allows it to process over 50,000 transactions per second. This report provides a comprehensive overview of Solana's evolution from 2020 to 2025, highlighting key milestones, strategic developments, and future projections. Key milestones 2020 to 2025. 1. 2020 Launch of mainnet. In March 2020, Solana launched its mainnet, positioning itself as a viable alternative to established platforms like Ethereum. This launch marked the beginning of its journey into the decentralized application dApp, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible token NFT realms. The platform quickly garnered attention for its speed and low fees, making it an attractive option for developers. 2. 2021 Rapid adoption and growth. The year 2021 was pivotal for Solana as it experienced explosive growth. The price of its native token SOL skyrocketed to an all-time high of $260 in November 2021, driven by surges in DeFi and NFT activity. During this period, many projects took advantage of Solana's capabilities, leading to a robust expansion of its ecosystem. Notable projects included Serum, a decentralized exchange, and various NFT marketplaces that capitalized on Solana's high throughput. 3. 2022 Market challenges and volatility. Despite significant growth, 2022 posed challenges for Solana. The collapse of FTX, a major cryptocurrency exchange with strong ties to the Solana network, triggered a massive sell-off, causing SOL's price to plummet below $10. Additionally, network outages raised concerns about Solana's reliability, compounding the challenges faced by the platform. 4. 2023 Recovery and strategic partnerships. By late 2023, Solana began to recover, with its price rebounding to over $120. This recovery was bolstered by renewed interest in DeFi and strategic partnerships, including the integration of Solana Pay with Shopify and Visa's selection of Solana for its stablecoin settlement program. These partnerships not only enhanced the utility of the Solana network but also attracted a broader audience. 5. 2024 Roadmap and upgrades. The 2024 roadmap for Solana emphasizes advanced scalability, security enhancements, and interoperability with other blockchains. Key planned upgrades include the implementation of sharding to improve transaction processing and the introduction of Token 22, which aims to enhance functionalities for NFTs and gaming. The focus on robust security measures is a direct response to previous outages, aiming to bolster user confidence in the network. 6. 2025 and beyond, future projections. Looking ahead, analysts predict positive growth for SOL, with potential price targets ranging from $250 to $750 by 2025. Contingent upon the successful implementation of upgrades and the continued expansion of its ecosystem. Long-term forecasts for 2030 suggest prices could soar between $987 and $1,672, reflecting Solana's potential to dominate the blockchain landscape. Common key points. Scalability and speed. Solana's ability to process transactions rapidly is consistently highlighted as a competitive advantage. Security enhancements. The platform's response to past outages through upgrades is a recurring theme. Partnerships and innovation. Strategic collaborations and technological advancements are critical for Solana's market resilience and growth. Differences between sources. Regulatory developments versus technological innovations. Some sources emphasize the impact of regulatory developments on Solana's future, while others focus on technological innovations and market sentiment. Price predictions. There's a notable divergence in price predictions. with some sources offering conservative estimates and others being more bullish about SOL's potential highs. Conclusion: Solana's journey from 2020 to 2025 reflects a dynamic evolution shaped by market forces, technological advancements, and strategic decisions. Despite facing challenges, the platform's commitment to innovation and community involvement positions it favorably for future growth, making it a key player in the blockchain ecosystem. However, investors should consider the potential rewards alongside the inherent risks of cryptocurrency investments. As Solana continues to expand its capabilities and partnerships, its impact on the blockchain landscape is likely to grow, offering exciting opportunities for developers and investors alike. This report serves as a comprehensive overview of Solana's evolution, encapsulating its key milestones and future potential in the ever-evolving landscape of blockchain technology. The content regarding Solana's evolution from 2020 to 2025 presents several counterintuitive insights that challenge common assumptions in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. 1. High performance versus reliability. Solana's unique selling point has been its ability to process over 50,000 transactions per second, which is significantly higher than Ethereum's capacity. However, despite this impressive performance, Solana has faced multiple network outages that raised serious concerns about its reliability. This situation is counterintuitive because one would typically expect a high-performance platform to also exhibit high reliability, but Solana's experience demonstrates that high speed can sometimes come at the cost of stability. 2. Price fluctuations amid growth. The analysis indicates that Solana's price reached an all-time high of $260 in November 2021, followed by a dramatic drop to below $10 by the end of 2022 due to market volatility and external factors like the FTX collapse. The counterintuitive aspect here is that despite building a robust ecosystem and achieving significant technical milestones, the price of SOL can still be heavily influenced by market sentiment and external events. This discrepancy suggests that investor perception can overshadow the underlying fundamentals of a project. 3. Decentralization versus governance. Solana's governance model is designed to be decentralized, allowing SOL token holders to participate in decision-making. However, the effectiveness of such governance in a blockchain ecosystem often comes into question. While decentralization is typically viewed as a positive trait, the actual implementation can lead to challenges in reaching consensus, especially during critical upgrades or decisions. This creates a counterintuitive scenario where the desire for decentralization could actually hinder timely and effective governance. For a regulatory impact on growth potential, the narrative suggests that regulatory clarity will play a significant role in Solana's future. While many in the cryptocurrency community often view regulation as a threat to innovation, the content implies that favorable regulations could actually enhance Solana's adoption and market growth. This counters the common belief that regulation stifles technological advancements. Instead, it presents the idea that a clear regulatory framework can provide a stable environment for growth. 5. Institutional interest and market sentiment. The potential approval of a Solana ETF is presented as a significant factor that could drive institutional investment. However, the counterintuitive point here is that while institutional interest is seen as a positive driver for price growth, it can also lead to increased volatility. The influx of institutional capital could push prices higher, but if these investors decide to exit the market quickly, it could also lead to sharp declines in price, contradicting the assumption that institutional investment always stabilizes a market. 6. Competing with Layer 2 solutions. The text discusses how Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions like Optimism and Arbitrum are gaining traction, which poses a competitive threat to Solana. This situation is counterintuitive because Solana is often marketed as a faster and cheaper alternative to Ethereum. However, if Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions are able to achieve similar performance without sacrificing security and decentralization, they could diminish Solana's competitive edge. This highlights the irony of a project built on the premise of speed and low costs potentially being outperformed by enhancements made to its competitor. 7. Ecosystem growth amid challenges. despite facing significant challenges such as network outages and market volatility. Solana has continued to grow its ecosystem with new applications and partnerships. This could be seen as counterintuitive to the expectation that technical difficulties would deter developers and investors. Instead, it suggests a resilience within the community and a belief in the long-term potential of the platform, challenging the notion that immediate setbacks will always lead to long-term decline. 8. Market sentiment versus technological innovation. The analysis emphasizes that market sentiment can greatly influence Solana's price, sometimes overshadowing technological advancements. This is counterintuitive, as one might expect that technological innovation and a strong roadmap would lead to a more stable price trajectory. However, the reality is that external factors such as macroeconomic conditions and investor sentiment can often dictate price movements more than the actual progress being made on the platform. These counterintuitive insights illustrate the complexities and unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market, highlighting that assumptions about performance, reliability, governance, and market dynamics may not always align with reality. Investors and stakeholders should remain aware of these nuances as they navigate the evolving landscape of blockchain technology and its associated assets. Overlooked aspects of Solana's evolution 2020 to 2025 and their significance. While the summary of Solana's evolution from 2020 to 2025 highlights major milestones such as its launch, rapid adoption, price fluctuations, and strategic partnerships, there are several nuanced elements that are often overlooked but carry significant implications for Solana's future. Here are some of the most critical yet frequently overlooked aspects, along with their significance. 1. Proof of history POW as a unique selling proposition. Many reports mention Solana's use of proof of history POW but fail to dive into its implications for the blockchain ecosystem. POW is not just a technical innovation, it fundamentally changes how transactions are verified and ordered on the blockchain. Significance. Performance optimization. By providing a historical record that proves that an event has occurred at a specific moment in time, POW allows the network to achieve high throughput and low latency. Decentralization versus centralization concerns. While POW enhances performance, it also raises questions about the level of decentralization. Critics argue that such optimizations could lead to centralization in the hands of a few validators, a point often overlooked in discussions about blockchain scalability. 2. Ecosystem resilience post-FTX collapse. The aftermath of the FTX collapse had a profound impact on Solana, leading to significant price volatility and doubts regarding its reliability. However, the resilience demonstrated by Solana's ecosystem post-crisis is often understated. Significance. Community engagement and recovery. The ability of the Solana community and developers to pivot quickly and refocus on building was crucial for regaining confidence. The ecosystem's recovery illustrates the strength of community-driven projects in the face of adversity, a crucial factor that can lead to long-term sustainability. Lessons learned. The challenges faced in 2022 have led to increased scrutiny regarding security and network reliability, prompting proactive measures that could fortify Solana against future crises. 3. Strategic partnerships beyond financial metrics. While partnerships with major players like Shopify and Visa are often highlighted, the deeper implications of these collaborations are frequently overlooked. Significance. Use case expansion. These partnerships signify a shift toward mainstream adoption of blockchain technology in everyday applications. Solana Pay's integration with Shopify is not just a financial arrangement, it expands Solana's footprint in the e-commerce sector and demonstrates its versatility. Trust and credibility. Collaborating with reputable entities enhances Solana's credibility, which is vital for attracting institutional investment and user adoption. This soft power aspect of partnerships often escapes direct analysis but plays a critical role in shaping investor sentiment. 4. Interoperability initiatives. The roadmap mentions a focus on interoperability with other major blockchains, yet the implications of this strategy are rarely emphasized. Significance. Cross-chain functionality, interoperability could be a game-changer for Solana, allowing it to tap into liquidity and user bases from other ecosystems, thereby enhancing its utility and attractiveness. Mitigating competition. By enabling assets to move freely between different blockchains, Solana can position itself as a facilitator rather than just a competitor in the blockchain space. This could significantly reduce the risk of being overshadowed by dominant players like Ethereum. 5. Tokenomics and long-term viability. While price predictions are commonly discussed, the intricacies of Solana's tokenomics are often overlooked, particularly the implications of inflationary token emissions and governance. Significance. Inflationary pressure. The token supply dynamics, including inflation from staking rewards, could impact long-term price stability. Understanding how these factors play into the broader economic model of the network is crucial for investors. Governance evolution. The ongoing refinement of Solana's governance structure is vital for ensuring that the community remains engaged and has a say in critical decisions. This democratic approach can lead to a more resilient network and greater user loyalty, aspects that are often minimized in high-level narratives. 6. Regulatory landscape and compliance challenges. The regulatory environment is frequently mentioned, but the specific challenges and opportunities for Solana are often generalized or ignored. Significance. Navigating compliance. Regulatory clarity opens doors to institutional investment, but the complexities of compliance can hinder operational agility. Solana's ability to navigate this landscape will play a significant role in its attractiveness as a blockchain solution for enterprises. Global considerations. As regulations vary by jurisdiction, Solana's strategy for global compliance could define its international expansion and affect its market penetration in regions that are more blockchain friendly. 7. Resilience to network outages. Solana's past network outages are often mentioned in relation to its reliability, but seldom analyzed in terms of their long-term significance on user trust and operational adjustments. Significance. User trust and adoption. Network outages can erode user trust, particularly in the DeFi space where reliability is paramount. Solana's response to these outages, through security upgrades and community communication, will determine its ability to attract and retain users. Technological evolution. The focus on improving security measures and implementing third-party audits demonstrates a commitment to learning from past mistakes. This iterative approach to technology is crucial for long-term success and resilience. 8. Long-term growth metrics beyond price predictions. While price predictions for Solana are frequently discussed, the metrics that underpin sustainable growth, such as developer activity, user engagement, and ecosystem diversity, are often overlooked. Significance. Developer ecosystem. A thriving developer community is essential for innovation. Monitoring the growth of the developer ecosystem can provide insights into Solana's potential for long-term viability. User engagement metrics. Rather than focusing solely on price metrics related to the number of active users, transaction volume, and the diversity of applications being built on Solana can offer a more comprehensive view of its health and sustainability. Conclusion. The evolution of Solana from 2020 to 2025 illustrates a complex interplay of technological advancements, community resilience, and market dynamics. By delving deeper into the overlooked aspects of its journey, one can gain a more nuanced understanding of both the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for this high-performance blockchain. Recognizing these subtleties is crucial for investors, developers, and users alike, as they navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of blockchain technology. 1. Technological advancements and scalability. Solana's unique architecture, specifically its proof of history paired with proof of stake POS, has positioned it as one of the fastest blockchains capable of processing over 50,000 transactions per second. This technological edge is crucial for its competitive advantage, especially as the demand for decentralized applications, dApps, and decentralized finance DeFi continues to grow. The planned implementation of sharding and the introduction of the Token 22 standard in 2024 further aim to enhance scalability and functionality, particularly in the NFT and gaming sectors. 2. Market resilience and recovery post-challenges. Following significant challenges in 2022 including the FTX collapse and network outages, Solana demonstrated remarkable resilience with a price rebound to over $120 in late 2023. This recovery was supported by the resurgence of interest in DeFi and strategic partnerships, such as Solana Pay's integration with Shopify and Visa's involvement in stablecoin settlements. Analyzing how Solana managed to overcome these obstacles highlights its adaptability and the importance of strategic alliances in building market confidence. 3. Strategic partnerships and ecosystem growth. The expansion of Solana's ecosystem through strategic partnerships has been a key driver of its growth. Collaborations with major platforms like Shopify and Visa have broadened its use cases and improved liquidity within its network. These partnerships not only enhance Solana's market presence but also position it as a significant player in the evolving landscape of digital payments and blockchain applications. The impact of these relationships on Solana's adoption and overall market perception warrants in-depth examination. 4. Future projections and market sentiment. Analysts project a bullish outlook for Solana with potential price targets ranging from $250 to $750 by 2025. Contingent upon the successful execution of its roadmap and the expansion of its ecosystem. However, factors such as regulatory developments, market sentiment, and competition from other blockchain platforms could significantly influence these predictions. Understanding the dynamics of market sentiment and external pressures will be critical for forecasting Solana's trajectory and assessing its investment potential in a rapidly changing environment. Here are 3 famous historical cases that reflect the evolution and strategic developments of significant technological or financial innovations akin to Solana's evolution from 2020 to 2025. 1. The rise and fall of the dot-com bubble 1995 to 2000. The dot-com bubble represents a period of excessive speculation in the late 1990s characterized by the rapid growth of internet-based companies. It began in the mid-1990s when the internet became accessible to the general public, leading to a surge in online businesses. Companies like Amazon and eBay emerged and rapidly gained market capitalization. However, the lack of profitability and sustainable business models among many startups led to a massive crash in 2000, resulting in significant financial losses. This case illustrates how technological innovation can lead to rapid growth and speculation, followed by market corrections and the necessity for more robust business practices. 2. The development and adoption of the electric grid 1880s to 1930s. The evolution of the electric grid showcases a technological advancement that transformed economies and societies. The journey began with Thomas Edison's invention of the electric light bulb and his establishment of the first power station in 1882. Over the next few decades, various companies worked on expanding electric infrastructure, leading to the establishment of a national grid by the 1930s. This development not only improved living standards but also facilitated industrial growth. However, it faced challenges, such as regulatory hurdles and competition among utility companies. This case highlights the significance of strategic partnerships and regulatory environments in the successful implementation of new technologies. 3. The evolution of the personal computer 1970s to 1990s. The personal computer revolution exemplifies a significant technological shift that reshaped how individuals and businesses operate. Starting with the introduction of microprocessors in the early 1970s, companies like IBM and Apple began developing personal computers. The 1980s saw a rapid increase in adoption driven by advancements in software and hardware. However, the industry faced challenges such as market competition, the rise of software piracy, and the need for standardization. The continuous innovation strategic alliances like Microsoft's software partnership with IBM and addressing consumer needs were crucial for the growth and stability of the personal computer market. This evolution parallels the blockchain space, where technological advancements and strategic partnerships are vital for long-term success. These historical cases illustrate the complex interplay of innovation, market dynamics, strategic partnerships, and the challenges faced during periods of rapid growth similar to the trajectory of Solana from 2020 to 2025. Future outlook for Solana 2025 and beyond. As we look ahead to 2025 and beyond, Solana is poised for significant developments that could solidify its position as a leading blockchain platform. Here are several key predictions and factors shaping its future trajectory. 1. Enhanced scalability and performance. Solana's ongoing commitment to scalability will likely bear fruit as the platform implements sharding and other performance enhancements. By optimizing its architecture to process even more transactions per second, Solana can accommodate the growing demand from decentralized applications, dApps, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Analysts predict that these improvements could enable Solana to handle millions of transactions per second, significantly increasing its appeal to developers and users. 2. Technological innovations. The introduction of Token 22 is expected to revolutionize functionalities within the Solana ecosystem, particularly in the realms of NFTs and gaming. This new token standard aims to provide enhanced capabilities for secure payments, ownership transfers, and royalties, making it easier for developers to create engaging applications. As Solana continues to innovate, it could attract a broader range of projects, further boosting its ecosystem. 3. Recovery from past challenges. After facing severe market challenges in 2022, Solana has shown resilience, recovering significantly in 2023. The platform's ability to bounce back from the fallout of events like the FTX collapse indicates a sturdy foundation and a community willing to support its future. Continued focus on network reliability and security will be crucial in maintaining investor confidence and user trust. 4. Strategic partnerships and institutional adoption. Strategic partnerships, such as Solana Pay's integration with Shopify and Visa's selection of Solana for stablecoin settlements, are likely to pave the way for broader adoption among businesses. As more companies recognize the benefits of Solana's high-speed, cost-effective transactions, institutional interest could increase, especially if a Solana ETF gains approval. This would provide a new avenue for traditional investors to engage with the platform, potentially driving demand and prices higher. 5. Interoperability with other blockchains. Solana's roadmap emphasizes enhancing interoperability, which is vital in a multi-chain future. By enabling seamless asset transfers between Solana and other networks like Ethereum and Polygon, the platform can enhance liquidity and user experience. This connectivity will encourage cross-chain applications, attracting a diverse user base and increasing the overall utility of SOL. 6. Market trends and regulatory environment. The broader cryptocurrency market sentiment will significantly influence Solana's future. Positive macroeconomic indicators such as favorable interest rates could lead to increased investment in digital assets. Conversely, regulatory developments will play a pivotal role. Clear and supportive regulations could enhance Solana's legitimacy and adoption, while restrictive policies might stifle growth. Monitoring the evolving regulatory landscape will be crucial for Solana's stakeholders. 7. Price predictions and market sentiment. Analysts project that if Solana successfully implements its roadmap and continues to expand its ecosystem, SOL could reach price targets between $250 and $750 by the end of 2025. By 2030, predictions suggest prices could soar between $987 and $1,672, contingent on Solana's ability to maintain its market position amidst competition. However, investors should remain cautious as the cryptocurrency market is notoriously volatile. and external factors can significantly impact prices. 8. Potential risks and challenges. Despite the optimistic outlook, several risks could impede Solana's growth. Network outages, if they recur, could diminish user trust and investor confidence. Additionally, competition from established players like Ethereum, which is continuously enhancing its capabilities through Layer 2 solutions, could pressure Solana's market share. Furthermore, the shadow of the FTX collapse remains, with potential sell-offs from the estate affecting SOL's price in the short term. Conclusion. In summary, Solana's future appears promising, characterized by technological advancements, strategic partnerships, and a robust community. The platform's commitment to continual improvement and adaptability will be vital in navigating the challenges ahead. While there are inherent risks, the potential for growth and innovation positions Solana as a key player in the evolving blockchain landscape. Investors and users alike should keep an eye on Solana's developments as it strives to solidify its role in the decentralized economy of the future.